Yeah. Let's go with this shit.
Call it the burning microwave of hell.
Alright, burning microwave hell.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh shit. Oh damn! Shit. Zoom that in for y'all. It's crazy, man. You're gonna cause a fire in this bitch. Turn off, turn off. I'm a little pussy. Yeah, it's been around for like 30 seconds. Turn off. It's smoking.
Go closer.
It's smoking like a bitch. Shit, it's on fire. You're gonna have to put that out before the whole thing is fucking burns. Alright, good, it's going out. It's crazy shit.
The clock.
Stop. Mary. Shit. Oh damn, nigga, that motherfucker's burnt. Oh shit. Turn on these. See, look, it's still burning. That's crazy. Now I'm not gonna sell this, man. I was planning to sell that shit. I think it's still possible to sell it though.